So you need to try to balance it. Can you see what it looks like?
Yeah, great.
Look okay, is it tilted? Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Move it over just a little bit.
Wait. Okay, I'm holding.
Okay.
Here you go.
You can hold it still. Well, good afternoon. Sweat pouring down my face. Let's start that again. Good afternoon. I'm sweating a lot. It is muy caliente here in Roatan, which is an island off the coast of Honduras. We're all the way on the far western end of the island in a place called West Bay. Absolutely beautiful beach, very crystal clear waters. It's gorgeous. It's a very action-filled place. There's a lot of like... No, it's still going, baby. Just the screen turns off. It's like a screensaver on a computer. It's okay. We're having fun. Lots of vendors out here. Don't expect to take a nap without somebody kamikazing you, offering massages while you're asleep even.
No, thank you.
Wave. So it's gonna be like that, like every 90 seconds or so. It's a public beach, so you know, you get what you pay for, right? But not a bad day. It's beautiful. We didn't have a lot of chance to get outside, not a lot of time rather, as we had safety drill this morning, so we kind of rushed out, got in a cab, pointed to the farthest place away from the ship, and vamonos. So it's been a nice little diversion. It's been another episode of Happy Uncle Benny time. I don't know what we're calling this, but we'll see y'all later on.